Hey everybody, it's Johnny Mac, and today we're going to go ahead and break on into mayonnaise. It's a crucial ingredient in a lot of sauces such as a remoulade sauce, tartar sauce, alioli sauce. So let's get into it. So here are the ingredients: 1 egg yolk, Dijon mustard, peanut oil, white wine vinegar, salt and pepper to taste. Grab a bowl and we'll start off with the white wine vinegar. 1 tablespoon, go ahead and put it in. Then we'll add 1 egg yolk. Go ahead and grab that special French Delight Dijon mustard and add it to the mixture. And then salt and pepper to taste, of course. Grab your whisk and let's go ahead and whisk these bad boys together. Once the mixture has been well incorporated, go ahead and grab 250 milliliters of peanut oil or any sort of vegetable oil such as olive oil and start slowly drizzling it into the mixture as you whisk. You'll start to notice as more oil is whisked into the mixture becomes thicker and thicker. Once all of the oil has been incorporated into the mayonnaise mixture, go ahead and keep whisking until you get the consistency that you're looking for. It should be light, thick, and fluffy. And there you have it, folks, a homemade mayonnaise. Please check the description below for the recipe, hit that like button, leave your comments below, and please do support the channel by subscribing. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.